So yeah, I mean, one of the things I really want to bring, and probably this is going to be a short interview because I know you have to rush off in a minute. But one of the things I want to bring is song.
Yeah.
This is my gift. This is the gift I want to bring to the people on the retreat. And once again, I could initially say, well, I want to sing songs around the ancestors, for the mothers, for the fathers, the ancestor chants, and I've got a lot of that work. But I also want it to be very organic. I've got such a wide range of songs from different traditions, different religions, nature, love, loss, yearning. So many songs that I can give here that I want it to be a very organic process, that I want to feel into what the group is sharing and sing to that, sing for that, sing beyond that. So the songs that I'm going to be sharing over this retreat, I don't know what they are yet. I don't know what these songs are yet. So that's a real interesting thing for me. What's going to come when we sit down as a group together in Sheffield in this beautiful retreat centre that we
Yeah. Yes, in Derbyshire, near to Sheffield, and also on our online workshop as well in
yeah,
July.
yeah, in
Yeah,
our online workshop as well. Yeah.
yeah. And yeah, you really create a sacred space with singing,
Mhm.
and yeah, and that in itself is so beautiful and healing and restoring. Um, yeah,
We'll do a song. We'll connect one evening, and we'll do one of the ancestor songs that I really want to do uh,
yeah,
over this weekend. So we'll connect one evening. We'll light some candles up, and we'll sing a song together.
beautiful. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That would be beautiful. Yeah, really beautiful. Yeah,
I'd like to talk about the dates of these retreats, when they're happening, and where they're happening. So the first one we've got is the online ancestral healing retreat, isn't it? We've got a
yeah.
little
Healing workshop on the 1st
online workshop.
July. Yeah, 2 till 5 p.m. UK time. So that is 9 till 12 Eastern time. And that will be an online sort of mini retreat where we will do one constellation and do, I don't know how many songs we'll do in that time. There'll also
Probably
be
just one, maybe two. Yeah.
time for group sharing. It'll be a 3-hour workshop with us. We'd love to have you for that. Yeah, is there anything else you want to say about the online workshop? That will be on
I
Zoom.
think that's about it for now. But we will put some links at the end of the video and the end of whatever videos I create from this little chat
Yeah.
we've had.
And you
And then,
can, yeah, in terms of paying for that, you can either have that included if you book on the retreat, or you can also pay for that as a separate workshop. Perhaps if you're in America but are not going to make our retreat live and you want to work with us for a short taster and experience and a powerful experience, I'm sure it will be, then you can join us for that, just the online retreat by itself. Yeah.
yes, great. And then, of course, 1st of December to the 3rd of December, that's when we have our actual weekend retreat in not Sheffield, because you said not Sheffield, but you said Derbyshire.
In Derbyshire, in the countryside, near it's in Unstone or near Unstone. It's called Unstone Grange, and it's a big retreat centre with land around it, and we will be having a deep dive into these the family constellation work, inquiry, and song. We'll also be doing energy medicine in the morning, and I think you're going to do a dance in the morning.
I'm gonna teach something Native American dance called Dance of Life, which was initially given by someone called Sun Bear to Glastonbury, and then it was spread from Glastonbury out to some key people, and there've been some changes over the course of the decades. But I'm going to try to bring us as close to that dance, and this is honouring all the directions, honouring what they call the 7 directions. So yeah, I'm hoping to give that as well on one of the days of the retreat, which will be really interesting. And I'd like to teach it to you first. So we've got you.
Yeah, I think I know it, or a similar version of it.
Great,
We've
great,
done
great.
something like that on the land and also at festivals and camps over the years. But no, that sounds great, and I trust we're going to have a beautiful time. I mean, Mike and I are really close friends, and I feel, yeah, I'm excited. People are already starting to book on, and
Yeah,
the early bird rate ends at the end of July. So if you pay your deposit before then, you can get the early bird rate. And
I think you
and
mentioned
then the super early bird rate, and then there's the early bird rate, and then there's
yeah.
the standard rate. But you'll get all that information on our websites, and we would really love to welcome you into this healing sacred space.
Yeah. And I think we've got a maximum of 26 places. We've got some already booked already, haven't we? So
and it might be a bit less with some single rooms. We'll have to look at the numbers, but there will be a limit to places. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to us. We'd love to chat to you about the retreat and to welcome you to be with us in this, what I believe will be a very sacred and healing space, created for you and for all of our ancestors and for the future generations.
that's nice that you say that. Created for you and your ancestors. And I think one of the pieces of work that we do within the song, within the chant, within the rune or the prayer that we sing is calling for that support, for that help, for that healing as well. It's like a two-way street. We're going to create a channel through song, a two-way channel of bringing the ancestors in, because we can call for help from the ancestors, and we can then give the healing and the knowledge and the compassion back too. So it's like it creates this circle, this circle that's open.
Yes, absolutely. Beautiful.
Yeah. Looking forward.
Amazing. So should we leave it there for now?